Hi, my name is Esaul. I'm the owner of California Concrete Overlay. We specialize in resurfacing concrete with concrete overlays, stamped concrete, and new concrete installations, catering to both residential and commercial projects. Our company was founded in 2016 with the mission to transform spaces with durable and aesthetically pleasing concrete solutions. Over the years, we have grown in expertise and scope, continuously delivering on our promise of quality and customer satisfaction. Our team comprises skilled professionals with extensive experience in concrete construction and design. We regularly train to stay ahead of the industry standards, ensuring the highest quality and innovation in every project. We hold certifications from International Concrete Repair Institute and American Concrete Institute, a testament to our expertise and commitment to quality. These recognitions assure customers of our proficiency and dedication to delivering exceptional service. Potential customers often worry about the durability and maintenance of concrete. We alleviate these concerns by using high-quality materials, proven techniques, and offering comprehensive after-service support to ensure long-lasting satisfaction. It is crucial to note our use of advanced technology and equipment, which enables precision and efficiency in our projects. An example of our advanced technology is that our unique concrete blend will help to reduce temperature in your yard and save energy in your home. Choosing us means investing in quality, durability, and aesthetics. We believe in building foundations for the future, not just through our concrete work, but in the lasting relationship we build with our clients. Let California Concrete Overlay be the foundation for your next project. Contact us today to start shaping your space.